Hi everyone, I'm Dan Pelosi. Welcome to my beautiful backyard in Brooklyn. I'm so excited because today we're making my grilled artichokes with lemon mayo dipping sauce. Let's get started. They are truly one of the most beautiful vegetables we have. They can be a little bit intimidating to prepare, but I'm gonna give you the easiest method possible. We're going to start by just trimming about maybe an inch off the top, just to get rid of the rough leaves up here. So we wanna have like a flat top. Look how gorgeous that is. You could, if you wanted to, clip off a little bit of the top of each of these leaves, but I find that to be a little bit unnecessary. The next thing I'll do is I'll just remove any leaves off the base, and then I'm gonna chop maybe about a ½ an inch off the bottom just to clean that up. And that's it, before we just go ahead and slice it in half, right down the middle, to reveal just the most beautiful parts of nature. And I have a surprise for you. Are you ready? There's a little purple core on the inside and my shirt matches it, so there you go. This is the heart of the artichoke and these are all the leaves. We're gonna keep all of it intact before we go ahead and grill them. One thing I like to do while I do this is put the cut artichokes into a bowl of lemony ice water. It just helps them to not discolor for the time that they are sort of hanging out. I'm gonna get this lemon nice and juicy, chop it in half, squeeze both halves into my bowl of ice water. Now this ice water is great for before I prep the artichokes, but it's also great for after, because the next step I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna boil the artichokes for about 15 minutes, just to soften them up before they hit the grill. So I will take them out of the boiling water and also place them back into the ice water to stop them from cooking. I really think an artichoke is definitely something that is unexpected at a barbecue. So it makes me really happy when you can kind of surprise and delight your guests. I'm gonna run inside, I'm gonna boil them in a little bit of salty water for about 15 minutes, take them out, put them back in the ice water bath, and then we'll get to grilling. So I'll see you in a few minutes. I'm back. I've dried them off after giving them a nice little ice bath. I just want to say, like, again, so beautiful. We are going to brush these artichokes with some of this amazing Sir Kensington's vegan mayonnaise. This vegan mayonnaise has a really, really great lemony flavor to it. So when you add it to the artichokes and place them on the grill, it gives the artichokes even more flavor than they have naturally. So I just take a little bit of the mayo and just brush it on the cut side of the artichoke, making sure to get a little bit into the part of the leaves. The second thing that's really amazing is that as soon as this hits the grill, the mayo, we're gonna ensure that it gets even more brown and golden and crispy as it would if you just placed it on with nothing on it. So it really is just a win-win and makes a beautiful, beautiful grilled appetizer, side dish. Sir Kensington's vegan mayonnaise is made with aquafaba. Aquafaba is the liquid that is released when you cook chickpeas. The aquafaba replaces the egg that you would normally find in most mayonnaise. And I promise you, this is like the best foundation you could put on the face of the artichoke. She's gonna be so beautiful. I'm just gonna take a couple of lemons, slice them in half. I love to grill halves of lemons face down on the grill to serve alongside the artichokes. All the flavors combined is just so wonderful. Okay, it is time to get these beauties on the grill. I'm gonna again put them mayo side down, and these are going to grill for about 15 minutes. I don't like to really move them because I like them to just stay down there, get nice and crisp. You don't need to flip them over. They're already cooked through a bit because we boiled them. And then I'm just gonna take, cut side down, place these lemons. These will also take 15 minutes. This is really, really low maintenance. Just gonna plop these here, tell them we love them, and then close the grill. While the artichokes and lemons get even more gorgeous on the grill, we're gonna throw together the easiest lemon mayo dipping sauce. So I'm gonna start with about a cup of the Sir Kensington's vegan mayo. We're gonna zest about half a lemon. The Sir Kensington's vegan mayo already has some notes of lemon in it. This is one of those things that you really can do less is more, and then give it a taste and see if you wanna add more of the lemon flavor. I'm gonna get this lemon ready to be juiced. I'm gonna do, again, only half of the lemon juice in here. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of salt, and then my favorite addition is about a teaspoon of paprika. You could use smoked paprika, regular paprika. It gives this dipping sauce a nice little layer of flavor and also gives it a really beautiful color. So I'm gonna stir all that together. It's already so pretty. Feel free once you have this mixed to give it a little taste and then add whatever other bits of each of the ingredients you like, or maybe there's even something else you wanna add. But I thought this was really like the perfect combo. And I mean, look at that color. It's just so pretty. Put this on this tray. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh boy, this is exciting. And I love to just like take these right off the grill and serve them warm. Make sure all your guests are standing around waiting. Get these on here. And then we have our grilled lemons. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at that. These make the lemons extra juicy and give them a bit of that smoky flavor. So it's just like such a win. And again, it complements all the flavors that we've added to the artichokes with the vegan mayo. Look at this. Okay, so we've got like all the mayo giving you golden, glowing artichokes. We've got these grill marks on the lemons. Such a dream. Normally I would just let my friends go ahead and attack this tray. They'll be gone in, I promise, minutes, but I'm gonna take one and plate it. I love to take a little bit of sea salt, put it on top. I squeeze a bit of this gorgeous grilled lemon, and then I'm going to grab a leaf from around the side. These leaves have a nice chunk of meat at the end of them. This is the part that you wanna eat. So I'm gonna dip it into the vegan lemon mayo dipping sauce, and I'm gonna use my teeth to grab that meat off the leaf. Oh my gosh. These are so much fun to eat, so delicious. The Sir Kensington's vegan mayo brushed on has added such a great level of flavor. It's nice and lemony and tart. It's grilled to be perfectly golden. I'm obsessed with this lemon mayo dipping sauce. We use the Sir Kensington's vegan mayo, so truly anyone can eat it. It's so delicious. It's super creamy. The notes of the lemon in the mayo are perfect. And of course, we've added a little bit more zing with some lemon zest, a bit of paprika. It's just perfection. I hope that you'll make this recipe for your friends at home. If you need the recipe, it's at food52.com. And I gotta go because I'm artichoking up. Bye.